Exercise 5.1 continuation, sum number 4. In each of the following, find the value of A for which the given points are collinear. First subdivision 2, 3, 4, A and 6, -3. This belongs to page number 212. Solution: given 3 points 2, 3, 4, A, 6, -3 are collinear. That is 1 by 2 of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x1, y1 is equal to 0. Then if you are taking 1 by 2 to this side means it will become 0. So now I substitute the value of x1, y1. 2, 3, 4, a, 6 minus 3. Again the value of x1, y1 is 2, 3. The next step is you have to do the multiplication. So 2 into a is 2a. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. 6 into 3 is plus 18. Minus 4 3s are 12. A into 6 is 6a plus 6a. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6, which is equal to 0. So 2a minus 12 plus 18 is plus 6 minus 12 minus 6. 6a 12 minus 6 is plus 6 is equal to 0. The next step is you have to multiply the negative sign. 2a plus 6 minus 6a minus 6 is equal to 0. So plus 6 minus 6 gets cancelled. 2a minus 6a is minus 4a is equal to 0. So the value of a is equal to 0. Fourth one, second subdivision, a, 2 minus 2a, minus a plus 1, 2a and minus 4 minus a, 6 minus 2a, which is in page number 212. So solution: given 3 points a, 2 minus 2a, minus a plus 1, 2a, minus 4 minus a, 6 minus 2a are collinear. Area of a triangle formed by 3 points is 0. That is, the area of a triangle is equal to 0. Then I substitute the value of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and again x1, y1. Next we are going to do the multiplication. If you are taking 1 by 2 to this side means it will become 0. So next the step is a into 2a is 2a square plus minus a plus 1 into 6 minus 2a. So minus a plus 1 into 6 minus 2a plus minus 4 minus a into 2 minus 2a minus 2 minus 2a into minus a plus 1. 2 minus 2a into minus a plus 1 plus 2a into minus 4 minus a. 2a into minus 4 minus a plus 6 minus 2a into a. 6 minus 2a into a. Whole bracket, which is equal to 0. So the next step is you have to do the multiplication. 2a square plus minus a into 6 is nothing but minus 6a. Minus a into minus 2a is plus 2a square. 1 into 6 is 6. 1 into minus 2a is minus 2a plus minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Minus 4 into minus 2a. Minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8a. Then minus a into 2 is minus 2a. Minus a into minus 2a is plus 2a square minus 2 into minus a is minus 2a, 2 into 1 is plus 2, minus 2 into minus a is plus 2a square, minus 2a into 1 is minus 2a, plus 2a into minus 4 is minus 8a, 2a into minus a is minus 2a square, plus 6 into a is 6a minus 2a square, which is equal to 0. Then 2a square plus 2a square plus 2a square gives 6a square. Then minus 6a minus 2a and plus 8a gets cancelled. Remaining you have minus 2a, and 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Minus of plus 2a square minus 2a square gets cancelled. So remaining you have minus 2a square. Then minus 2a minus 2a minus 8a plus 6a gives minus 6a plus 2, which is equal to 0. The next step is 6a square minus 2a minus 2, minus into minus plus 2a square, again minus into minus plus 6a minus 2, which is equal to 0. So 6a square plus 2a square is 8a square, minus 2a plus 6a is plus 4a, minus 2 is minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is a multiple of 2. So divide by 2 you get 2a square, divided by 4 means you get 2a square plus a minus 1 is equal to 0. So this you get the quadratic equation. The next you have to find the roots of the equation. So throughout divided by 2, a square plus a by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. The product of root is minus 1 by 2 and sum of root is 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. If you add this 2 means you get 1 by 2. If you multiply this 2 means you get minus 1 by 2. Therefore the roots are a is equal to minus 1 comma 1 by 2. Problem number 5. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are at minus 9 comma minus 2, minus 8 comma minus 4, 2 comma 2 and 1 comma minus 3, which is in page number 212. So solution: given vertices of a quadrilateral are minus 9 comma minus 2, minus 8 comma minus 4, 2 comma 2, 1 comma minus 3. First we plot the points in the plane. Let A of minus 9 comma minus 2, B of minus 8 comma minus 4, C of 2 comma 2 and D of 1 comma minus 3. We just roughly draw the quadrilateral because this both are negative, that is x and y coordinates are negative, so it lies on the third quadrant. So similarly you have to draw a figure roughly. So now you get a shape of a quadrilateral. Therefore area of a quadrilateral is equal to 1 by 2 into formula, which is equal to 1 by 2 into, I just substitute the values of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 and x4 y4, again x1 y1. Now you multiply means you get the value of area of a quadrilateral, which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 9 into minus 4. So minus into minus plus 36. Minus 8 into minus 3 plus 24. 1 into 2 is plus 2. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 8 is 16. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. 2 into minus 9 is minus 18. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into 36 plus 24 plus 2 minus 4, it will become 58 minus of 16 minus 4 minus 6 minus 18 is minus 12, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 58 minus into minus plus 12, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 58 plus 12 is 70, which is equal to 70 divided by 2 is 35. Therefore, area of quadrilateral is equal to 35 square units. Similarly, problem number 5, second subdivision is your homework problem. Find the area of a quadrilateral whose vertices are at minus 9, 0, minus 8, 6, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 6, minus 3. So the answer is the area of a quadrilateral is equal to 34 square units. Problem number 6. Find the value of k if the area of a quadrilateral is 28 square units whose vertices are minus 4, minus 2, minus 3, k, 3, minus 2 and 2, 3, which is in page number 212. So solution, as usual, you know the formula for a quadrilateral, you just substitute it, and area of a quadrilateral value is also given, which is equal to 28. If you multiply 1 by 2 to this side means it will become 28 into 2. So which is implies minus 4 into k is minus 4k, minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6, 3 3s are 9, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, minus 2 into minus 3 is 6, 3 into k is 3k, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, 4 3s are 12, so minus 12, which is equal to 28 into 2 is 56. So the next step is minus 4k plus 6 plus 9 minus 4 is plus 11, minus 3k, 6 minus 4 minus 12 is minus 10 is equal to 56. So minus 4k plus 11 minus 3k minus into minus plus 10 is equal to 56. Minus 4k minus 3k is minus 7k, 11 plus 10 is plus 21 is equal to 56. Minus 7k plus 21 is equal to 56. Minus 7k is equal to 56 minus 21. Minus 7k is equal to 35. So k is equal to 35 by minus 7. The value of k is equal to minus 5. Problem number 7. If the points A of minus 3, 9, B of A, B and C of 4, minus 5 are collinear, and if A plus B is equal to 1, then find A and B. So which belongs to page number 212. Solution given. A is minus 3, 9, B is A, B and C is 4, minus 5 are collinear, and A plus B is equal to 1, which is equation number 1. So area of a triangle formed by 3 points are collinear means which is equal to 0. So therefore area of a triangle formula is equal to 0. So next you substitute the values of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and again x1, y1. If you are taking minus 1 by 2 to this side means it will become 0. Minus 3 into b is minus 3b, a into minus 5 is minus 5a, 4 9s are 36, minus 9 into a is 9a, b into 4 is plus 4b, minus into minus plus 5 3s are 15, which is equal to 0. Then minus 5a minus 3b plus 36, we are taking minus 2 into the bracket. So minus 9a minus 4b minus 15 is equal to 0. Minus 5a minus 9a is minus 14a, minus 3b minus 4b is minus 7b, 36 minus 15 is 21 is equal to 0. So throughout divided by minus 7 you get 2a plus b minus 3 is equal to 0. We know that from equation 1 b is equal to 1 minus a. So substitute, instead of b we are substituting 1 minus a. 2a plus 1 minus a minus 3 is equal to 0. A minus 2 is equal to 0. So value of a is equal to 2. Substitute the value of a is equal to 2 in 1. You get b is equal to 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. Therefore the value of b is equal to minus 1. Thank you, students.